Hello Taurus, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your love energy for the month of June. So your energy, you have a two beautiful cards, that is the Hierophant and the Queen of Wands. So these both cards represent that you are in your power, you are looking great, you are very charismatic, and you are basically listening your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you on the right path, and this is again a card of marriage according to me. So maybe you are giving your commitment to someone, or if that's not the case for you, then this is like a mastery of your own skills. If you have any talent, you are just practicing a lot and become a master of in that specific field. So this is like a beautiful card and the beautiful energy that you have for the month of June. So let's see your partner's love energy for the month of June. Stalker card, Page of Swords. So they are checking upon you, your social media, whatever from the far. So this person is just observing you from the far in some sort of a way. So let me take one more card from your partner's side. Your partner's love energy, Knight of Swords. So definitely this person is like continuously thinking about you because you are totally confident, and you have also very strong will. You are very attractive, you are beautiful, you are sitting strong on your throne. So this is like they do want to communicate with you, they are thinking about you a lot. This person observing you, stalking you, they do want to communicate with you. They are coming and rushing your way in the month of June. So let's see your energy. You are raising your vibration, huh? So let's see your love energy for the month of June. Taurus, Five of Cups. But you are also sad about something. If this is the separation phase, because you have a dream of serious commitment with this partner, you have a dream of marriage with this person. But from the outside, you are representing that you are the best, you are looking good, you are doing good. So, this kind of a dilemma that you are creating around yourself, but deep at some area of your heart you are regretting upon the things, you are sad about something. This is like a missing kind of energy. You also do miss your partner, so that is the secret. So let's see your partner's love energy, because if there is a no communication, that's why you are missing them. So your partner's love energy, Chariot card. So this person really very eager to communicate with you. This person really want to move forward with you in this connection. They do want to talk about the thing, that they do want to make positive changes in this connection. So your partner is also in that kind of energy when they do miss you a lot, right? So let's see final outcome of your connection for the month of June. For the month of June, final outcome. So we have the Seven of Wands, but you both are defensive. So that's the question, who make the first move. So this is maybe that kind of a situation when you want them to text you and they want you to make the first move. So you both are defensive because you both want that another person take the first move, right? Bottom of the deck. But if you do want to celebrate something with this person, you do want to win this situation, then there is a need of communication in this connection. And I'm getting your partner, there is a high chances that your partner may make a move towards you, because Chariot is the card of action. So let me take any advice for my beautiful Taurus sign for the month of June. One advice for the Taurus. So we have a Lord Shiva and Horus. So let me read out both. Transcend, Transcendence, Lord Shiva. Rise up, honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. So this is like you need to rise up right now, honor your inner face, your true authentic face, right? You have to honor that thing. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. You just need to be happy and leave all the worries on the universe. Another message is like cosmic gateway. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. So currently this is like your thoughts are very magnetic. You manifest anything. If you think negative, right? If you go in the zone of like think negative thinking and like depression, that will give you the negative results. But if you use your that power of intensity of thinking in a positive way, then that will bring the positive changes in your life. And do face your inner real self. Your strength for the month of June. Last card for my beautiful Taurus. So you have a polar bear, mystic. Note that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you see adversity. Take time to rest, dream, renew your strength, embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. I hope you read it out. So you have the inner capability to make positive changes in your life. The basic overall message is like whatever the challenges you are facing currently that make you more stronger. So just embrace your psychic abilities, right? And renew your energy. If you like to go out, spend some time close to the nature, that will rejuvenate your energy. So this is your reading. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.